So I'm right here in Sherman Oaks, and what we're doing here is we replace a lock box. Used to have a regular lock here, this, and we cut down the other lock box. We're putting in a bigger one right now. Victor is welding it, and what we will put afterwards is one of these type of Yale locks. These work with the home automation system, so they will be able to program it to work with their home automation system, and that way to allow entry for people through programming from inside the house, through codes and programming. That's it. I'll show you a little bit afterwards how this is going along. This point is cleaning up the welds, grinding them, making sure everything is nice and smooth. The difference between how a weld looks right after it's done compared to how nice it looks once it's grinded cleanly. Okay, so this is the final result right before paint, and as you can see, nicely smoothed all the corners, front. So now it's ready for paint, and afterwards for the installation of the lock. Some basic cleanup with a rag with some metal cleaner on it.
Solvent.
Otherwise the paint doesn't catch too well. And now we're ready for paint. So now the box is all painted, and you can see how nice that looks, like it's always been here. A little more shiny than the other paint, but it'll dull out with a little bit of sun. And we're ready to install the lock. Okay, so now the lock is fully installed. You can see this is what it looks like from the inside, and then I'm going to open it, and this is what it looks like on the gate with the new box. We'll go outside and see how this lock operates. It's a Yale, it's called a Yale Real Living style lock. This is how it gets locked right now. Now it's locked, and I can't get in until I enter a user code. See, it lights up. Put in a user code, and now the lock opens. And there you have it, finished installation.